Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Norwood Avenue School in Northport, New York, home of the Cubs. This is my first visit to their campus. A beautiful morning. I got to speak to grades 3 and 4 right here in the cafeteria, students and staff. And the main focus was on bullying. The sub-theme was to look at the heart first. And we all know that our heart is as big as our fist, right? But if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, where one finger is yourself, the other is someone that you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But also 2, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2. 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 1 word, 1 action, 2 seconds. We can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever. Or conversely, we can say something so mean and destructive that it stays on their heart in a negative way forever as well. So we always have this choice, right? Are we going to choose peace? I love these signs that I see all around the school. Or are we going to choose hate? And of course, hopefully, we always choose the former, right? That we rise by lifting others. And we know that no matter what we've been through, have gone through, will go through, that despite the biggest reason why bullying happens that I've seen of hurt people who hurt people, we can always become the healed people who heal people, right? It's easier to push the pain on someone else for sure. And, you know, just punch back, fight back, say something mean back, but that just makes the situation worse. So true leaders are able to, you know, rise above that hate and decide to convey love, right? Each and every day and each and every moment. And while bullying is a repeated action, something over and over and over again to get power over someone, right? And you do it on purpose. The things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions or words, can potentially have the same effect on someone, right? And leave the same type of mark. So we got to be so conscious, so aware of what we say and what we do. Are we going to either lift others up, uplift them, or are we going to tear them down? And we have this power. It just takes a few seconds where we can build someone up, right? We want to be a builder, definitely not a wrecker. And the students really got that. There's a lot of pin drop moments through the positive music that was performed, the inspirational videos that were shown, the picture slides that helped to reinforce the stories, the heartfelt stories like the ones that I shared, and like one of the slides you see here on the screen. All of that intertwined, the physical props, the visual aids too, is how I was really trying to impress upon their hearts this need for kindness, and that we always have a choice to be that best friend, right? To see someone for who they truly are, as a human being before anything else, for their heart before anything else. So thanks, touched my heart. It was a beautiful day here at Norwood Ave. Hope to be back again in the near future. Have a great rest of the school year though for now. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.